For those of y'all who don't know, our community challenge, the purpose of this was literally to give away cash, you guys. And the participation is a lot lower than it should be. At least that's in my opinion, right? All you're doing is posting a screenshot that it takes very few seconds out of your day, but the whole concept was oversight. I'm going to choose that word, oversight. We are all very independent in our investments, our trading, our self-employment, whatever you classify yourself as, side hustle, whatever. If you're building to become passive hustle, whatever it is that's your goal personally, we're doing a lot of things without any oversight, without any other eyes to look at this and say, wait, is this good? Is this bad? Is this the right track? And because of that, I really feel like that's one of the reasons people fail. Between strategy hopping, lack of management, and just no oversight, so they're not actually doing anything consistently. If people clean up just those few things, that's the end of this call right there. And I know it sounds so simple, and some people are like, well, gosh, that can't be it. I promise you, it really is that simple. Pick a strategy. Make sure the management is conducive to that strategy. Very, very simple. Choose lot sizes that are going to be applicable to the account size you have, the amount of risk you want to take, your personal risk to reward, and your personal accuracy. And ta-da, there's literally nothing else. And then the hard part is actually just doing that, because we tell ourselves, hey, we got in because of the RSI, or hey, we got in because of, X, Y, and Z. But if you actually went back through your trades, oftentimes you'll find out you took this because it was Tuesday. You took this because, there was a moment you were rushing out the door for something, and you really didn't want to miss the move. So you took it even though it wasn't set up. You'll find that you're not following the rules that you think you're following, because we're not as accountable to ourselves as we sometimes think we are, right? Studies show that you're more likely to break a promise to yourself than you are somebody else, kind of concept, right?